Yeah, one day. Yeah.
What do you think?
Yo, you know if you can get hectic from the street, my walk on my bike.
Brother, about 2 weeks now, the boy didn't reach on my walk in the park.
So what do you hold up?
Brother, you know the festive season now down there, so they move slow already, dog.
Thing about that, one on the bike, like, you know that. Business booming, that.
You know, brother, it's frustrating, no, brother. Remember, say bread, they are country, the one I buy them, you know, dog. And the other two, you them their own town, you know.
Dog, right now about 3 new clients come on, you know, and they want to deliver like every day. So we need to buy them, brother.
Brother, I go call them again.
Yeah, man.
I'm not offer. You drive go down there today. Today, yeah.
That if you do, man. If you don't pressure them boy, you know, them not push out no effort. And yo, I know if we go down there, you know.
Brother, really need to buy them. You know what I mean? Brother, I the buy them for work to pay about the loan, you know. And you know my style already, you know. Me not like no bank or call me, no, brother.
I want to tell you too, you know. You never tell you from what day. I rent me and for rent 2 bikes to cover the day, you know. Yo, you mean like that?
Yo. So they must say no smart.
Yo.
Smart move that, man.
But I hear that thing. I want to say that. I come them, man. But anyway, I want to tell you, say, boy, them want to charge me X amount of food. Never go, so I say, yo, who them boy? I check me if you chop off them uncle. I tell them, say, yo, 2 bikes in here, go like a 1. Oh, I'm 2 now. And give them a piece of food for it.
That is it. Big woman thing still, you know. I'm like a that we have got to do this week, you know, brother. Rent 2 more bike.
Yeah, man, a simple matter, man. Cause I done chat to them from the first time I make them know, say, this can be an ongoing thing. Cause I done see the shit storm I come from a mile. You see?
The friend is still, you know. Next week, 18 students are forward now, bro.
Yeah.
I'm come to the dance class. I don't know phone job. Look at tourist thing around the community.
18, holy, that's still not that. Yo, big man thing, we have got to give the place a little facelift, you know. Make such man from the round, so. My boy, the man, I can come do some painting, man. Put that all in a black or something. What do you think?
Really, no, brother. The place really need a facelift, you know. I want to tell you something, you know. King did link me. I tell me say I'm linked to the tourist board and them want, you know what I mean, collaborate with the dan them, but you me want them do, brother. Me want them send some people around and for train some of the youth them for be tour guides.
Yo, I never even pray that, you know, but a good idea that, you know, Dan. Yo, but we probably have to go hold a meeting with the youth them to teach them the thing, you see me?
That's how it for them job come in, the people them from tourist board and them are going to train.
Oh.
Get what I say. We are just oversee what go on, but for them job that. And remember, a whole heap of history the boy, brother. And that's the best way to build the community tourism, brother. And make the youth them can stop do that something here. You get what I say? Hands out.
Sound like a good idea, you know? Sound like a plan. But anyway, still no more, make a one step in.
Come on, hold on. I'm so fast. The training thing. But you know, I'm not hearing no about printing from where you need to still land. Brother, man, I need 2 tickets in a fam.
Oh, pretty good, man.
Printing. From you say it that way there, brother. Something alright. What go on?
Brother, tell the truth still, right now I never feel like it makes sense for money to go back down the road, brother. Probably we just outgrow each other, you see?